Welcome to today's episode of Quality in a Quick. I'm Bob Cruz, President and co-founder of Checkpoint Technologies. So today I'm going to share with you 5 steps to implement a testing center of excellence. Without a doubt, this is probably one of the most common requests our organization gets, to assist organizations in regard to an assessment in order to implement, design, and develop a testing center of excellence. So before I talk about the 5 steps, I'm going to cover the definition, the benefits, and just a few of the challenges. So first, the definition. A testing center of excellence is a framework comprised of strategic assets, so process, people, and technology. It governs how a testing organization engages and delivers testing services to the larger enterprise. It's made up of established goals, well-defined processes, a governance mechanism, multidisciplinary skill sets, and common tools and technology. The benefits of a testing center of excellence, well, there are several. It typically makes it easier for teams to evolve existing testing services, so it makes them more agile, and offer new services with higher quality. It promotes a culture of quality and enhances delivery confidence within the organization, so it boosts morale. It leads to shorter time to market. As you can imagine, that's going to make your organization so much more competitive. And it decreases and optimizes cost and creates tighter alignment within the organization. Now, just a few of the challenges when implementing a tester center of excellence. It can be quite challenging to obtain organizational commitment, and it is a commitment. It's a significant investment in both time, effort, and money. It can also be a bit of a challenge in setting the direction and priority in regard to the implementation of a TCOE, the provision of skills and knowledge, and lack of communication. So those are some challenges that you want to take into consideration. So now the steps, the 5 steps, the process to build a testing center of excellence. First thing to do is conduct a survey. So perform a self-assessment using a survey format to better understand how your organization is ensuring quality today. I have no doubt you'll be surprised. Things you want to be sure to do is focus on people, processes, and technology. Solidify objectives and identify all stakeholders. Identify the budget, and by budget, we mean money as well as time and effort. Obtain executive management and stakeholder commitment. The earlier you do that, the better. So step number 2 is perform the assessment. And by assessment, I mean an analytical process performed to better understand where you are, where you want to get to, and how to get there. It's focused on people, processes, the environment, solutions, challenges, and objectives. And there is definitely value in having a third party, a neutral party, perform the assessment. Step number 3, design and build the testing center of excellence. So a couple of things to be sure to do are to put in place a leadership structure that includes an executive sponsor, a steering committee, IT and business subject matter experts, as well as champions and mentors. Define the processes for continuous improvement, such as lessons learned and best practices. You don't want to be repeating the same mistakes over and over again. Step number 4, start with a pilot project. It can absolutely be more than 1. I actually recommend 3. Prove and succeed. Do a lessons learned for each one. Remember the engineering acronym PDCA, plan, do, check, and act. And then step number 5, adopt the TCOE across the enterprise. In your adoption across the enterprise, be sure to prioritize your projects, enforce adherence. It does you no good if you put this fantastic testing center of excellence in place and your organization does not follow it. Communicate the capabilities, measure and track results, and be sure to share wins. That is a true morale booster. So remember the 5 steps. 1, conduct a survey. 2, perform detailed assessment. Step number 3, design and build your testing center of excellence. 4, start with a pilot project or projects. Remember, I recommended 3. And last but not least, step number 5, adopt your TCOE across the entire enterprise. If you have any questions, please email me at quality@checkpointtech.com with any questions, thoughts, as well as any topics that you'd like to hear in the future. And here are some exciting events that Check Point Technologies is proud to be hosting in the near future. Thank you. Bob Cruz, Check Point Technologies.